In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor on WordPress. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows you to build stunning websites with ease using its drag and drop features. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced web developers who want to create visually appealing designs without touching a line of code. So, let's dive right in and walk through the installation process seamlessly. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your login details to access your site's backend. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as this is where you'll be managing most aspects of your WordPress site. Next, you're going to focus on the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find a menu with various options. Look for the option labeled Plugins. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Add New, which will take you to a new page where you can search for plugins to install. Now you're on the plugin installation page. Right at the top, you'll notice a search box. In that search box, you'll want to type Elementor Website Builder. As you type, results will start to populate below. Be sure to check for the correct plugin in the search results, as there might be similar names. The plugin you need is Elementor Website Builder, developed by Elementor.com. Once you've found it, you'll see a button labeled Install Now beside the plugin's name. Go ahead and click that button. This will trigger the installation process, and it should only take a few moments. You'll want to make sure your internet connection is stable during this process to avoid any hiccups. After the installation is complete, the button you clicked will change to Activate. Simply click Activate to enable Elementor on your WordPress site. Activating the plugin is crucial, as this is what enables its functionality and allows you to start using it. With the plugin now activated, you'll notice a new addition to your admin menu. Look for the Elementor label in the menu on the left. Clicking this will give you access to Elementor's settings and allow you to start building your first page. And there you have it. Elementor is now successfully installed and ready to use on your WordPress site. You can immediately start experimenting with its features, creating engaging layouts, and enhancing the user experience on your site. Take advantage of the wide array of styling options and widgets available to craft the perfect look for your website. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Remember, the beauty of Elementor is its flexibility and user-friendly nature, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their WordPress site. Enjoy creating amazing web pages, and I'll see you in the next video.